Hello beautiful people, I'm Ale and tomorrow I'm going to Milan for 2 days with my sister. Are you curious about what I'm gonna put in my backpack? Well, I'm gonna show you. Starting with the stuff that I'm not gonna put in my backpack. This is the coat that I'm gonna bring with me, and this is the scarf. It's gonna be pretty cold, so I'm bringing this. I'm gonna wear this black jeans with this belt both of the day. For tomorrow, I'm gonna wear this t-shirt, and over I'm gonna put this sweater. Those are gonna go inside of a packing cube. This is the normal tank top. This is another sweater that I'm gonna put over it, and this is my PJs. Then I'm gonna put everything inside of a packing cube. And inside I put my underwears and my socks, and I'm gonna wear the same bra both of the day. This is of course my wallet with my documents and everything. This is a little pouch that where I'm gonna show you where it's inside. Inside I put a hairband, some medicines, bobby pins, a little mirror, nail foil, and band-aids. Then I'm gonna bring those wipes, which can be really useful. This is a pouch where I put my Tampax and my pads. This is the case for my glasses. This is my phone charger. This is a reusable bag. And this is the power bank that I'm usually use. I'm gonna bring with me an umbrella because probably it's gonna rain. This is a reusable bottle. Then I'm bringing my book from college and my notebook with 3 pens and this for corrections. All of those are going inside of this pouch. This is a liquid lipstick, mascara. This is the solution for my lens. This is a black eyeliner, my makeup wipes, toothbrush, toothpaste, my deodorant. This is a face cleansing that I put inside of this little bottle. This is face cream, and this is the container for my lens. Last but not least, those are my shoes. And right now, I'm gonna put all of those inside of my backpack. Inside of the front pocket, there is tissues, gums, a hairband, tissues, a hand cream, my keys with this pouch with my headphones, my lip balm, just a hand gel, and then something for my throat. This is my camera case, where inside here is where I put my camera. There are my battery chargers, and in front here I have my batteries. So, and that's it. And probably I'm gonna carry these on my side, not inside of my backpack, but I can put this in my backpack too. And that is all. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, share it. You can follow me on my social media. I will link them down below. For stay tuned, subscribe, active the bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next Saturday with a new video. Bye!